Alright, Beckham loves to look at himself in the mirror, so now we're going to show him a picture of himself and see if he smiles at that too. Here's the picture. That's Beckham. Let's see what he does when he sees it. Who's that, baby? Is that you? You're so pretty, huh? You're so pretty boy. Yeah. You want to see the picture again? Look at the cute little picture. Look at the picture. Who's that? Who is it? Is that you? Look at that eyebrow. You just love to look at yourself. He's still looking. Yep, it's still on there. He's still looking at it. Who's the baby, Beckham? You talking to the baby? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Bye, baby.